In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a drop-down menu in Wix. Understanding how to create and customize drop-down menus can significantly enhance your website's navigation and user experience. It's a crucial skill to manage your website's layout and ensure your visitors can find the content they're all looking for effortlessly. So, let's dive right in and get started. The first step is to open up your Wix website editor. This is where you'll be doing all the magic. Make sure you're logged into your Wix account and select the site you wish to modify from your dashboard. Once you're in the editor, you'll see your current site layout and all of your existing pages, but don't worry if this part feels a little overwhelming at first. I'm here to guide you through it. Now that you're in the Wix editor, look to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see several options listed there, but what you're interested in is the Pages and Menus option. Click on this to open the panel that displays all your existing site pages. Visualizing your website's architecture is essential before you start tinkering with the layout. This step lets you see all the pages you currently have and helps you strategize how you want your drop-down menu to be organized. With the Pages and Menus panel open, it's time to decide which page you want to include in your drop-down menu. Consider the hierarchy and grouping of your content before proceeding. Choose a page, click, and hold the Page tab, then drag it into an existing menu. The interface allows for easy dragging and dropping, making it simple to restructure your pages as needed. This action doesn't just affect the navigation bar visually, but also impacts how users will interact with your site, creating a seamless browsing experience. Following this, you'll need to add this menu to your mega menu if that's the route you're taking. Simply click and hold the menu you just moved, then drag it over to your mega menu setup. Wix's editor is highly intuitive, so you'll see real-time changes in the layout as you make these adjustments. It's a great way to ensure everything looks just right before you commit to publishing the changes. And there you have it. You've successfully created a drop-down menu in Wix. By thoughtfully reorganizing your pages, you're making your website more user-friendly and attractive. Take some time to preview your site and check if everything works as expected. This walkthrough is straightforward, but if you encounter any hiccups, don't hesitate to refer back to this video for guidance. Thanks for watching, and now go unleash your creativity with those drop-down menus.